What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will tell you how you guys can use the Rosetta Stone, and is Rosetta Stone a practical and legitimate solution for learning the languages over the internet, and I will guide you exactly how you guys can do it. So Rosetta Stone, the only major issue in the Rosetta Stone that I have personally seen on the internet over different sort of reviews, reading different sort of reviews, is that it costs a lot. Other than that, I have only read good things about it. So I'm gonna show you is that there are a lot of programs that you can join, all 25 languages, for example Spanish, Latin, French, Italian, German, English, American, and then English British, Arabic, Chinese, Mandarin, Dutch, Farsi, Persian, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Irish, Japanese, Korean, Latin, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Swedish, Tagalog, Filipino, and then Turkish, and then add a lot of Vietnamese language also there, so you guys can learn it from here. So for example, if you're using it for individual purposes, so simply go ahead and click on the individual purposes and create an account by clicking on a signing up option. There will be 3 plans for the individual purposes. The first is a 3 months plan, which is for like 15 and 9.5 euros per month, which would be approximately 47.85 euro an year. And then there is a 12-month plan. So for that, it is 12-month plan, and it will cost 11.95 euro for a month. And then there is a lifetime plan that you guys can get in 199 euro. So it is that simple. So as you guys can see that, I'm just gonna go and read reviews over the internet to see that if it's actually legitimate and people are actually learning it, and what's the unique selling point of this Rosetta Stone. So as you guys can see that I'm on Reddit right now, and I'm just gonna read the review over here. So this person is saying that that's all there is to almost any single language program. You'll never really reach fluency using a single language program without proper practice and immersion. As a Rosetta Stone, it does something a little interestingly. If any readers of this aren't familiar, they don't explain anything, and they offer no translations. They expect you to pick up on things like grammar, conjunctions, cases, tones, etc. without any formal explanation, and you are given examples and you select the correct pictures or speak the sentences properly, and they expect you to acquire instead of learn. So this is something very unique selling point of the Rosetta Stone. I personally have Rosetta Stone for free through my university when I started learning German this season, and I made a huge study program in which I would go through an entire unit on Rosetta Stone. There are 20 total units each week. These came down to around an hour a day, and I got through about a week and a half before I couldn't anymore. This is my problem with Rosetta Stone personally. It's boring, and it's so boring, it's quite slow and paced, and while progress is likely being made, it can be equally as frustrating. However, if you have enough motivation in a single language to power through Rosetta Stone like the OP, it can honestly be a pretty useful. So this is the conclusion of this review. I personally suggest you guys to go with it. It's a pretty neat and a good language learning program, and you can learn 25 languages from it. But the pros are that it got some unique selling points, but the con is that it is very slow paced and kind of boring, and you might lose the motivation in the middle of the course to learn the language furthermore. So this is pretty much it.